This is WSB-TV's Home Experts, Metro Atlanta's go-to home professional resource.
There are some plumbing problems you just know you want to call the experts for. We all know what we're talking about. One of them is when there's sewage coming back up from your toilet, sink, bathtub, or even shower. So here to help are Jim Mahoney and Megan Ritchie from Mr. Rooter Plumbing of Atlanta. So Jim, how do you help us clear the clog when we don't know how or honestly just don't want to?
Well, the warning signs, a slow-moving drain, smells, leaks, they're signs that there's a problem with your drain line, and we recommend that you get a professional in there to look at it. We can do everything from snaking your line, cammering your line, jetting your line, which is like power washing it, all the way up to replacement from your home out to the street.
So what do you mean when you say camera the line?
It's an inspection system where we actually send a camera all the way through your sewer line. It lets us see the shape of your sewer line, which is the important part of your sewer line, the inside of it.
And so if it's a big or small problem, you'll be able to see it?
Yes, our professionals are trained to tackle any situation that can come up.
Oh, thank goodness for you guys. Now, talk to me about what happens if there's a clog, in the evening or on the weekend when, typically you think no one's working, no one can come out and fix this right now.
So we are open 7 days a week, evenings and weekends, and there's no additional charge for those evening and weekend times. So we're here to serve whenever you need us.
So if there is a clog, y'all are here to fix it no matter what.
Yes, ma'am.
We're here for you.
Thank you so much for this information. We appreciate you being here.
WSB-TV's Home Experts have the answers. Call today to take advantage of this great offer from our home expert. Visit WSB-TV.com/home experts for more exclusive offers and tips from our home experts.